everyone. Today we'll be having a quick review of the test.io and welcome to Tutorials by David. In 2026, Test.io remains a legitimate crowd testing platform that connects companies with a global community of real human testers to find bugs and usability issues, offering a flexible way to earn and gain QA experience while helping improve software quality. Many testers praise its user friendly interface, supportive global community, and steady stream to opportunities to learn and earn, especially for beginners who take advantage of resources like Test.io Academy and Discord group. However, experiences may vary. Some users report high standards for bug acceptance, occasional communication issues, and strict enforcement of policies, which can lead to frustration when bugs are rejected or accounts are banned without a total or clear explanation. So, from a business perspective, the platform's crowd testing model delivers real world feedback quickly and integrates with common development tools through a customization and tester quality can be inconsistent. So overall, this platform can be a good option for side income and QA experience if you're prepared for competitive cycles and detailed reporting, but it might not be ideal for everyone due to its strict rules and variable payout outcomes.